quitan it? No.
Whoa, it's so early in the morning. Good morning, you guys. I'm up super early. I have my glasses on, but I'm gonna do a vlog today. And for today's vlog, I'm actually, if you read the title, I'm going fishing. So I'm going to Castaic. I think that's the one. I'm going with my dad and my brothers. So let's see how today goes. I'm gonna meet you guys up there when we're at the lake already. Okay, bye. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. Okay. I haven't gone fishing for years, but hopefully we catch fish. Okay. Bye. I'll just meet you guys up there. Bye-bye. Are you gonna catch a lot of fish today? You're on camera.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. That's great. Are you gonna get a lot of fish today?
Hell yeah.
What are you expecting to catch today?
Fish.
Can you tell them where we're at right now?
We're at Castaiclake in Valencia, and we're gonna catch stripers. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
And this is what we have for lunch.
And we have fruit, Gatorades, and waters. So we're prepared all day. Looks so cute. Look, two of them up here. Hi. Hi. Bye. Now we're just waiting for the fish to jump, right? What are we waiting now?
Boils.
We haven't seen them.
No, there's a lot of bass boats of it.
There are bass boats over here though. But nothing yet. There were some boils over there, but they went away. Still nothing. Still nothing. So what just happened?
Well, we didn't reach them before we saw them. Now there's
And then
3,
it was-
4, 5.
They're all right here. No luck yet.
Not yet.
Hopefully soon. Whoa. We caught 2. Whoa, they're big.
All right. I guess this is gonna take a little time to getting a hook.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's bleeding! Oopsie.
That's good.
So how was it?
You saw him.
Mm-hmm.
You fought the fish.
Mm-hmm. It was a big one, but that one like started bleeding. We caught other one right here.
Yeah, he was.
One of the way.
Your turn motor's on. Damn it, I did a burn up.
Oh, it's barely hooked. Should we get the net?
No. Go for it.
Barely hooked.
That's when it sounds good.
Barely hooked, I say. It's barely hooked.
Well, how many is that?
6. 6.
So we just ate, and right now where are we? In this little area?
Little coat.
And you're trying to catch what? Because you saw what down there?
Bluegills.
What about the bass? I hear a bird.
Keeper?
Where is it?
Bluegill. Keeper? Yeah.
Yeah. You can't.
I did, got it.
You got my lure.
I did?
Yeah.
But I got the fish though.
You got the.
You got the fish right there.
You have the fish.
You have my lure. You can have to lift it. Oh shoot. Oh, it's barely good. Lift it. Oh, it's barely good, Jesse.
Ooh, get it. Ooh, you got it. You couldn't fish no more because he got your lure.
Sucker was about to take mine. Take it.
But there it is.
That's a big boulder.
Update us. What's been happening?
What?
What's been happening? Update us.
We're just looking for more boils.
How many fish have we caught in total?
8.
8 fish, huh? Including the one little. Where's the bluegill? Somewhere in there.
Somewhere.
Still waiting to catch more. But they don't last that long. They only last for a couple of seconds. But we haven't spotted any yet. But so far it's been a great day, huh?
Yeah.
Boils that we saw today, a lot of
I
them.
didn't expect that much because
But it doesn't feel super hot either. with the brace. How do you feel as the driver? We have the most responsible role.
What? Oh yeah.
How many have you cut today?
3.
So far, it's a good day, huh? It's a very good Friday. Today's a Friday.
Better than being working.
Oh yeah, and none of us are working today, by the way. Day off.
What? Okay.
So how was your fishing trip?
Good.
You caught a little. I didn't record you
Oh, I
catching
got a
it.
bass.
But I didn't record it at all. How was your fishing trip?
Good. I consider this day second day.
How much boils did you see today?
I lost the count. But there were a lot.
There was a lot of boats too.
Yeah.
But today was a very good Friday. We caught a lot of fish.
We caught a lot of fish. Yeah.
We caught many
It was
fish.
not that hot.
One of the fish still has was the what would they call the shad inside their mouth still.
A little bit.
They're mini.
Big fish.
Stripers, but big fish. But we had a great time today. So, what else do you want to say to the vlog before I end the vlog?
Come on, come over, try it. It's very fun. If you have a boat, because you need a boat to chase them, to chase the boils. You need a boat
And luck.
and luck. Yeah, because now all the time they're gonna bite your lure.
Is it better to come with somebody or by yourself?
So somebody, one will be driving and the other one is gonna be ready to cast the lure as soon, you know.
Because
it's
if
in a
you're by
boil.
yourself, it'll be harder.
Yeah.
Any last words you want to say?
Oh yeah, be patient. Even from shore, you can actually catch them. So be patient, and you actually catch them.
So I never showed myself catching a fish and reeling it because my dad and my brother were also casting, and I don't have like a little harness or anything to like put my phone or anything, so I had nobody to record me. So all you get is my dad and my brother. But I still had a fun time and I still enjoyed my day, and it was a great day. So you guys should go to Castaic and go catch some and follow the boils because it's really fun. Oh, I lost a nail. This one I have it. This one fell inside the water because of the line. Oh.
No wonder they don't bite no more.
So one of the fishes are gonna get a phone in there. But that has been it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.